Hi everyone, in today's lecture I will be show the steps of how to run the app on Flutter emulator. Let's start the video. First create the Flutter project I already created. Then click on the AVD Manager. Then click on create virtual device. Now choose a device definition. Click on the phone and click on the Pixel 2. And click on next. Now select the system image and click on download. Downloaded is started. It's take the time. It's done. Click on the finish button. Select the system image. Click on the next. AVD name is the Pixel 2 API 27 and click on the portrait. Click on the finish button. Our virtual device is ready to run. Now click on launch this AVD in the emulator. Click on the OK. Minimize the screen. You can see the device name Android HCK build for 86. Then click on run main.dart. Our Flutter project is run successfully. Click on the plus floating button. You can see the results. We completed all these steps. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning.